10th chapter, Applications of Derivative. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 8. Last part completed introduction of the definition of the angle between the two curves, formula completed, some conditions also be completed, one 7 marks problem also be completed. Today class discuss one more 7 marks problem, that is find the angle between the two curves of the following: 2y square minus 9x equal to 0, 3x square plus 4y equal to 0 in fourth quadrant. Which quadrant? In fourth quadrant. First of all, see students, you can take 2y square minus 9x equal to 0. In this equation, you can write 2y square equal to 1, 2y square equal to 9x, then x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2y square by 9. Suppose this we have to write equation 1. In equation 1, substituted 3x square plus 4y equal to 0. This is we have to take equation 2. Equation 1. In equation 1, substituted equation 2. You get what? 2 plus 3 into x value is what? 2y square by 9 whole square. 3x square. X is nothing but 2y square by 9 whole square plus 4y equal to 0. 3 into this 2y square whole square nothing but 4y power 4 by 9 square nothing but 81 plus 4y equal to 0. 3 ones are 327. Remaining what? 4 into y power 4 by 27 plus 4y by 1 equal to 0. After that, we have to take LCM. LCM is 27. You get what? 4 into y power 4 plus 27 4s are how much? Yes, see students, 27 4s are, you can write 4 7s are 28. 4 to 8, 108, 108 into y equal to 0. 27 into 0, nothing but 0. You can write 4 into y equal to 4 plus 108 into y equal to 0. In these two terms, you can common 4y. 4y get common. This is y cube plus here 4 common, 1 by common, remaining y cube is there. Here 108 you can common 4, you get 27. 27 plus y get common equal to 0. Here 4y equal to 0 or y cube plus 27 equal to 0. Here y equal to 0, y 4 nothing but 0 by something value is 0. Here y cube equal to minus 27. Y cube equal to minus 27 nothing but minus 3 whole cube. Correct? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus into minus. Minus 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. This is here cube get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 2. See students, case 1. If y is equal to 0 substituted in equation 1, you get what students? 1 implies x is equal to 2 into 0 square by 9. 2 into 0 nothing but 0 by 9. 0 by something how much? 0. That's why you can write 0. Therefore point is 0 comma 0. First point is 0 comma 0. Completed. You have to go to case 2. If x is equal to y is equal to minus 3, substituted in equation 1, 1 implies x is equal to 2 into minus 3 whole square by 9. 2 into minus 3 whole square, how much? Minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, 9 by 9. 9 get cancelled, then x is equal to 2. What is the point? Point is 2 comma minus 3. Therefore points are. First point is 0 comma 0. Second point is 2 comma minus 3. In these 2 points, which point you have to take? Suppose here fourth coordinate are given. This curve intersected fourth quadrant. This point lies on all quadrant. This is origin. This is not in fourth quadrant. That's why this point is the fourth quadrant point. That's why you can find the slope of the tangent. You can use which point? 2 comma minus 3. Why? Because you can use that point, that is fourth quadrant point. Next, first you have to take first equation. First part 2y square minus 9x equal to 0. Derivative 1 both side with respect to x. 2 into derivative of y square minus 9 into derivative of x equal to derivative of constant nothing but 0. 2 into y square derivative 2y into d by dx of y minus 9 into x derivative 1, you can write 0. After that you can write 2 2s are 4y into dy by dx is equal to minus 9 goes to here plus 9. Then dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to, you can write 9 by 4 by slope of tangent, that's you can write slope of tangent, that you can write m1 equal to dy by dx at point P. This is the slope of tangent formula. This is the first curve, that's why you can write slope of the tangent denoted with the m1. m1 equal to dy by dx value is 9 by 4 by at point P. What is the point P here? Point P have to take 2 comma minus 3. This is x, this is y. You can write m1 equal to 9 by 4 into y value is minus 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. You get what friends? You get m1 value is minus 3 by 4 or 3 by minus 4. You get the slope of the first curve is completed. After that you can find the second curve. After that you can write formula, substitute it. What is that curve? 3x square plus 4y equal to 0. Derivative on both sides with respect to 2x. You get what friends? You get 3 into derivative of x square plus 4 into derivative of y equal to constant derivative nothing but 0, derivative is 0. 3 into x square derivative 2x plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. You can write 4 into dy by dx is equal to 3 to how much? 6x. 6x goes to right hand side, you get minus 6x. 2 2s are 2 3s are. You can write dy by dx is equal to minus 3x by 2. After that, slope of the tangent, that is m2. Slope of the tangent m2 is equal to dy by dx at point P. This is the slope of the tangent of the second part. Here m2 equal to slope of the tangent is what? Minus 3x by 2. At the point is given, which point I have to take 2 comma minus 3. Here this is x, this is y. After that you get m2 equal to m2 equals to minus 3 into 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled. m2 value is minus 3. m1 value is minus 3 by 4. m2 value is minus 3. Next you can write angle between the two curves. Angle between the two curves. What is the formula of angle between the two curves? Angle between the two curves formula, tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula. In this formula, you can write m1 value is minus 3 by 4, m2 value is minus 3. Thus, you can write tan theta equal to m1 value. m1 value is minus 3 by 4 minus m2 value is minus 3 whole by 1 plus minus 3 by 4 m1 value minus 3 sin. That is modulus of, you can write minus 3 by 4 minus into minus plus 3 by 1 whole by 1 minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 by 4. After that we have to take LCM numerator and denominator. What is the numerator LCM? 4 is LCM. Minus 3 4 3s are 12 by. Here also be 4 LCM. 4 1s are 4 plus 9. Here 4 get cancelled. Tan theta is equal to here minus 3 plus 12 how much? Minus 3 plus 12 you can write 9 by 9 plus 4 how much? 13. 9 by 13. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 9 by 13. This is the angle between the two curves. 2y square minus 9x equal to 0 and 3x square plus 4y equal to 0. Angle between these two curves is theta equal to tan inverse of 9 by 13. This curves intersected fourth quadrant angle you can find, that is tan inverse of 9 by 13. In this way you can do that any problem. Next, today assignment problems are homework problem. First problem, first curve xy is equal to 2 is given. Second curve x square plus 4y equal to 0. Here in this curve you can write y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 by x substituted in this equation. X square plus 4 into y is 2 by x equal to 0. After that we have to take x into x square, we can write x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. X cube plus n equal to 0. X cube 0 into x, you can write 0. X cube equal to minus n. X cube equal to minus 2 cube. X equal to minus 2. This x equal to minus 2 substituted in this equation, you get y. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2y minus 2. You can write y value is minus 1. Therefore, point is minus 2 comma 1. Point is coming. In this point is you have to take first you can derivative this one. You get find the slope of the tangent. You can derivative this one. Find the slope of the tangent m2. After that you can derivative tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is also a very important problem. This hint is given. You can use this in total problem. You can solve. After that, here y square equal to 4 into x plus 1 is given. Here also the y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x given. These two terms, y square LHS part can equal, then RHS also be equal. You can add 4 into x plus 1 equal to 36 into 9 minus x. 4 ones are 4 nines are x plus 1 equal to 81 minus 9x. You can write 9x here. 9x plus x 10x is equal to 81 minus 1. You can write 80. 10 ones are 10 8s are x value 8. Substituted in equation 1 or 2, that is your wish. Suppose you can write 2 implies y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x value is 8. Y square equal to 36 into 9 minus 8. You can write 1. 36 1 you can write. That is square root of 36, that is plus or minus 6. One point is 8 comma plus 6, another point is 8 comma minus 6. In these 2 points, you have to take any one point, that is your wish. Here we have to take suppose this point. After that, derivative this one, y square derivative 2y into derivative x, 4 common x derivative 1 plus 1 derivative 0. Similar, y square derivative 2y into y dash, nothing but derivative x. 36 into 9 derivative 0, x derivative is 1. Here before minus is there, you can write minus 1. After that, you can find the slope of the tangent of the first curve m1 by using this point or this point. Slope of the tangent m2 by using first curve. You can use which point? That point you can use here. Okay, students. After that, tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 formula. Write down. You get angle. This is angle. This is very important repeated problem in IB examination. Suppose this problem sometime ask angle between these two curves is 90 degrees, or show that two curves are mutually perpendicular. That's why this angle value is 90 degrees. You can prove. This is very important. This is the angle between the two curves model problem.